Welcome to the complete manufacturing process of a plastic kids football. In this video, you will see how a plastic kids football is made inside a modern factory, step by step, with precision and careful attention to quality. The process begins with raw plastic granules. These small plastic granules are the basic material used to create the football. The granules are slowly poured into a hopper machine, where they are prepared for the next stage of production. Inside the injection molding machine, the plastic granules are heated at a very high temperature until they melt completely, turning into a thick liquid form. Once fully melted, the plastic is injected under high pressure into specially designed molds. These molds are shaped carefully to form the panels of the plastic kids football. The panels are designed in both hexagon and pentagon shapes, which are the key components that give the football its classic structure and design. After the molding process is complete, the hot plastic kids football panels are removed carefully from the machine using proper handling tools. At this stage, the panels are still warm, so they are transferred to a cooling area. Here, powerful air fans are used to cool down the panels evenly, helping them maintain the correct shape and structural strength. Once cooled, the panels move forward to the trimming section. Workers carefully trim any extra plastic edges from each panel, ensuring a smooth, clean finish. This step is important because it improves both the appearance and the safety of the final product. After trimming, the panels go through a polishing process. This polishing enhances the surface quality, making the panels smoother and ready for printing. Next comes the design stage. Bright, colorful patterns and graphics printed onto the panels using automatic printing machines. These designs make the plastic kids football visually attractive and appealing for children. Once printing is complete, the panels are moved to the assembly section. In this stage, heat welding machines are used to join the panels together. The edges of each panel are heated and pressed together carefully, forming a strong bond. Slowly, panel by panel, the hollow spherical shape of the plastic kids football begins to take form. After the full structure is assembled, the next step is valve insertion. A small valve is fitted into the football, which will later be used for inflation. The valve is sealed tightly to make sure that no air can escape. Now, the football is ready for inflation. An air pump machine gradually fills air into the plastic kids football, giving it its final shape. Once inflated, the football is placed on a rotating stand. This allows workers to inspect the shape, balance, and air pressure from every angle. To ensure there are no leaks, the football is then tested inside a water tank. It is carefully submerged in water while workers observe closely. If no air bubbles appear, it confirms that the football is perfectly sealed and passes the leak test. After testing, the football is removed and dried properly to remove any moisture. Next, quality control inspectors examine each football in detail. They check the surface print, the finishing, the shape, and overall quality of the plastic kids football. Only the approved products move forward on the conveyor belt. Before packaging, a small amount of air may be released to make storage easier. Each football is then wrapped in transparent plastic packaging to keep it clean and protected. Barcodes and labels are attached to every packed football for identification and tracking. Finally, multiple plastic kids footballs are carefully placed inside strong cardboard boxes. The boxes are sealed securely and prepared for shipment to stores and customers. And this is how a plastic kids football is manufactured in a modern factory using advanced machines and skilled workers. Thank you for watching the complete manufacturing process of a plastic kids football.